A well-functioning gasoline system is essential for the efficiency and reliable operation of gasoline-powered vehicles. And now, let's proceed to our quick guide on how to use our system. But before we proceed to our transaction, make sure na isa-start natin yung ating reading. So to start, just click Fuels and select Start Reading. And Start Reading UI will appear. Dito na po natin i-input yung ating start reading. So for example, yung start reading ko kay diesel is 1, same kay regular, and isa kong regular. After inputting, click Save, at successfully updated na yung ating start reading. After that, click OK. And for example, mag-input po tayo ng another item, just proceed to Files, and select Items. Just click View button, and as you can see, all items will appear. To create new, meron tayong New button, and Item UI will appear. So just input your item name. For example, unleaded. Your unit measure, let's say liter, and then your category is fuel, cost, and the regular price. So for example, the regular price of our unleaded, as of now, for example, 72 point, you can also input your special price, wholesale price, and available quantity. For example, we have 100 liter of unleaded, and you can also input your alert quantity and the VAT type if ever this is VAT exempt, VATable, and zero rate. Click Save. And as you can see, successfully saved, click OK. And if ever mag-input na po tayo ng ating mga pumps, proceed lang po tayo dito sa Fuels and select Pump. Just click View, and mag-filter out agad yung aking mga pump name with their item name as well as their corresponding pump attendant. Just click New to add new pump, and selected Fuel UI will appear. Just input your pump name. For example, pump 5, then your attendant. So ayun here, drop down button. So ito po yung mga samples of my pump or pump attendant. So for example, Zero Del yung ating pump attendant for this pump name. The diesel of this pump number 5 is unleaded. And after that, click. As you can see, successfully added na po yung ating pump number 5 na nalagyan na din natin ng item name as well as yung kanyang pump attendant. And click lang natin. And now, for example, may nagpapa-fuel na. And to transact dito sa ating system, just proceed sa Sales and select Sales Transaction. Just select your customer, let's say si Jonathan, and load your items. And as you can see, mag-filter out agad yung ating mga list of our items. Let's say unneeded, input your quantity. Press Enter sa keyboard, and selected item UI will appear. You can also choose your pump. So, pump 5 tayo and then your attendant. Click Add. And meron siyang subtotal of 100 pesos under unleaded. Click Save. And Payment UI will appear. Input your customer payment or amount paid and press Save. And as you can see, successfully saved yung ating transaction. And now, since nakabenta na tayo sa ating unleaded and then gusto nyong i-check yung ating available quantity, so pwede natin yan i-review dun sa ating inventory and select lang po natin yung stocks. View stocks lang natin and searchable naman yung ating items. Let's say unleaded. So in just 2 to 3 letters, item will appear and select nyo po yung item ledger. So itong item ledger is dito po natin mamonitor yung transactions under this item. Okay. So just click View, and as you can see, meron tayong transaction date na column, transaction number, transaction information, the stock in, stock out, and then the read. So as of today, meron tayong transaction September 30, and then the transaction is sold to Jonathan. So nag-stock out tayo ng 1.38 liter of unleaded, and then yung available quantity na lang natin is 98.60. So this item ledger is printable, and this is also exportable to Excel or PDF. And now, proceed po tayo sa ating next feature. Let's say mag-i-expense po tayo. So dito lang po tayo sa expense. Select lang po natin yung expense transaction. Let's say nag-expense tayo para sa ating salary. Let's say, magsa-salary tayo. So, meron tayong load expense and mag-filter out agad yung aking samples of my particulars. So, for example, mag-a-add tayo ng new expense. So, for example, magsa-salary tayo para sa ating pump attendant number 2. So, type lang po natin, let's say, pump attendant 2, for example. And then, press nyo lang yung enter sa keyboard and particular UI will appear. Just select your account title, which is salary expense. Save lang natin particular. So, now, nakaka-create na po tayo. Na-add na po siya sa ating particular. So, to input the amount, just select or make sure na naka-highlight siya and input your amount. So, for example, yung total expense natin dito or salary of our pump attendant number 2 is, let's say, 6,000. After that, just click enter sa keyboard at automatic po siyang magta-transfer sa ating right column. And save natin yung transaction and payment UI will appear. Click save. And as you can see, successfully saved na po yung ating transaction. Just click OK. And now, for example, close na yung ating gasoline station. Then end na din yung ating shift. So yung gagawin natin is i-close na natin yung ating reading. So to close, punta po tayo sa fuels and select close reading. And as you can see, close reading UI will appear. Input lang natin yung end reading ng ating diesel as well as yung ating regular, special din natin, as well as yung ating unleaded. After that, click lang po natin yung save. And as you can see, successfully updated na po yung ating end reading. Click lang natin yung. And now, since nakapag-close na po tayo ng ating reading, is i-close din natin yung ating cash drawer. So to close, punta po tayo sa ating cashiering and select cash drawer. And cash drawer UI will appear. As you can see, meron tayong startup cash or dito natin i-input yung ating panukli. So to add, meron tayong edit button and input your amount. For example, nag-input tayo ng panukli of 300 pesos, input nilang, click save. Yan. And as you can see, meron din tayong cash sales of 100, ito po yung benta natin ngayon. And then the cash expenses of 6,000. Meron din tayong withdrawals, pwede din tayong makapag-withdraw sa ating pera sa ating cash drawer. Meron din tayong cash purchases. Total cash in natin today is 400. And total cash out or yung napalabas natin na pera which is 6,000, ito po yung na-expense natin kanina. That's why nag-negative tayo sa ating revenue or kumbaga wala tayong pera sa ating cash. So ito yung pinakamaganda kasi nakikita natin kung kumulang po ba tayo or sumobra sa ating pera. And now, ang gagawin natin is i-close na natin yung ating sales. And as you can see, meron tayong confirmation na magpa-pop up which is cash drawer will be closed. Continue natin, i-yes po natin ito. At click lang yung open. And as you can see, very easy lang yung ating cash drawer. And if ever, gusto nyo ding i-check yung mga reports natin, so meron tayo ditong reports, pwede tayong mag-review dito sa ating sales profit. Okay? So as you can see, meron tayong receipt date, and then the payment type, pwede siyang naka-all, naka-cash, charge, check, or bank deposit. So, pwede natin i-all. And then, you can review it or you can filter it by using by receipt, by items, or by category. So, try natin ng by items. Click lang natin go. Yes, ito po yung benta natin as of today na by item, which is the unneeded, quantity, price, amount, down to profit, dito po natin makikita. So, this report is printable. Exportable din po ito to Excel or PDF. Now, titingnan din natin yung ating daily profit and loss. We also have here the date range and the payment type. So, the same po siya. So, i-all po natin and click go. And as you can see, ito po yung transaction date, the sales natin, the VAT, the discount amount, down to net profit. So, negative tayo kasi wala tayong capital for this or hindi tayo nag-input ng capital. And proceed tayo sa ating monthly profit and loss. So, ito po yung interface niya. The same po siya, depende sa payment type. And click lang natin go. So, ito po yung benta natin. So, meron tayong month, which is the August and the September. Meron tayong sales, depende po sa month. The VAT amount, the discount, the net sales, the capital, the gross profit, the expenses, and then the net profit, as well as yung percentage. So this report is printable and exportable then to Excel or PDF. And yes, we're done. Thank you so much for listening. This is Fitzy saying, at Microsoft, we empower every entrepreneur to achieve more.